Professor Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo. I am in the cath lab and we have done a transcatheter aortic valve implantation, which is a technique for putting another artificial valve in a diseased valve. कुछ लोग इसको replacement बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग implantation बोलते हैं. Americans call it replacement, tAVR. The Europeans call it tAVI, which is implantation. Actually, it is implantation. It is not replacement. So this is the technique which was first devised by Professor Alan Crepier, my mentor, my guru, with whom I worked in France from 1996 to 98. It was a wonderful experience for me. At that time, he was thinking about this technique and he had a hypothesis. And after a year, he started doing animal experimentation. This valve was actually engineered and designed by an Israeli engineer. So he had a company which was made by him along with Dr. Martin Leon. And then that prototype was prepared. And then after first many animal experimentation, about 100, the first valve was deployed by him, first in man on 16 April 2002. So I would like to show you the pictures which we have done. Aortic valve area 0.6, which has improved to 2 centimeter after the valve implantation. Gradient from 55 reduced to 4, peak gradient and mean gradient to 2. Very wonderful experience, and I would like to show you some angiographic pictures now. And I will show you the pictures. This was actually the deployment. I would like to show you from the one. So this is actually, I would like to tell you, you can see two pigtail catheter. We have chosen right radial radial for this, and now we are crossing the valve with the, I think there was another picture before that. No, it's okay. So we are now crossing, you can see we are crossing the valve with the straight tip catheter, and the valve is now crossed. एक valve को cross कर लिया है from the aortic valve. This is the calcium of the aortic valve, and then after this we put a safari wire, which is like a jalebi wire, and which is a hard stiff wire. And normally we do pre-dilatation. In this case we avoided pre-dilatation, and you can see now the valve is coming up from the descending aorta. After doing the positioning, there are markers which I will let you know next time how the markers are important place. And then we can see the balloon going up, and from the aortic arch to the area of this. So somehow we are not getting the video of this. Yeah, you can see the video, and now this video will show how we have deployed the valve. And in this, well, this is the positioning with the aortic root angiogram to have the right position, 80-20% formula, and then this is how the valve is going up, and finally this is how the valve is going up. Dr. Vivek Gupta from Apollo talking about the perfect implantation of the valve in this case.